Loosen the throttle fixing screws. Remove the throttle handle. Open the battery cover. Find the plug of the throttle line. Unplug and remove the throttle plug wire. Replace the throttle plug with a new one and pass it through the key cover and battery cover. Plug the plug in. Close the battery cover. Tighten the 2 screws on the key cover. The new throttle handle at the other end is pushed to the appropriate position on the handlebar. Fasten the upper and lower covers. Tighten the fixing screws. Replacement completed.